Hi everyone, tonight I'm making Tuscan poached fish for dinner. So I've got my olive oil here, some garlic, some cannellini beans, 2 cans of those, any brand will do. I've got diced tomatoes. In this case we have diced with basil, garlic, and oregano, which is really good for this recipe. Then we also have some fresh rosemary, some really good balsamic vinegar, and then of course our fish. Tonight we're using walleye that was caught in Lake Erie, but you can also use perch or even salmon in this case. And then to prepare it, we also have over here 2 pans. This pan I'm going to use for the cannellini beans and tomatoes and create my sauce. And then in this pan with a nice covered lid, this is where I'm going to poach my fish. So stay tuned and we'll be right back. Okay, now one of the things we have to do with the walleye is we have to do what we call in our house zippering the fish. So there's this zipper or bone line that goes down the middle of the fish. So we take our knife and we make 2 cuts, one on either side of that zipper. And then we simply pick up the fish and we pull it apart like this and pull. And when we pull it apart, those bones come off. And when you pull it on the other side, the bones come off the same way. And then in our house, we actually take this and we set it aside and actually use it for the dog and feed her as well, so nothing goes to waste. Okay, so one of the other things we want to do is we want to take our rosemary that's, growing here, and we want to mince it up. So here is what it looks like after I've minced it. It's about 3 teaspoons, maybe 4 teaspoons. And then we've also minced the garlic using the garlic press that my kids bought me. And so we will use both of those in the recipe coming up. Okay, and here's what our fish looks like after we've taken the zippers out and we've cut it up into smaller pieces. In this case, we're doing only about 3 or 4 servings to our meal. And in Michigan, we actually have an Eat Safe Fish advisory. And so what I have here in my hand is actually 1 serving of fish. So 2 pieces in this case, and we're gonna go ahead and cook this up and poach it, and we'll show you what that looks like after we're done.